I'll guide you through how to use Cursor AI for free. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and typing in cursor.com. Once the website loads, create an account by entering your name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the sign-up form, log in using the credentials you just created. You will then be directed to the Cursor AI homepage. From there, you can immediately begin using Cursor AI directly in your browser by signing into your new account. You also have the option to install Cursor AI on your computer. To do this, locate and click on the download button available on the homepage. The setup file will begin downloading automatically. Wait for the download to complete, then open the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, a setup interface will appear prompting you to configure the basic settings. Click the Continue button to proceed. After that, log in again using the same account you created earlier. When the sign-in is successful, you'll gain full access to Cursor AI on your desktop.